In a picnic, Madhya and Asra spent rupees 95 altogether. Asra and Tanaya spent rupees 210 altogether. If Asra spent one-fifth of what Tanaya spent, how much did Madhya spend? Now this is simple one. Let's try. Here it's like this. M plus A equals to 95 and A plus T equals to 210 because this is what is given. But A has spent one-fifth of T. So A equals to 1 upon 5 multiplied by T. One-fifth of T. This is the meaning. So how will you convert this? Suppose if I take 5 on this side of equals to, it goes above to the numerator. So 5A equals to 1T. This 1 into T is 1T, right? So what I can do is, instead of 1T means this, see this over here, A plus T. What does only T means? When there is no number given, it means there is 1. So 1A plus 1T it means. So instead of 1T I can write now 5A. So A plus 5A equals to 210. So A plus 5A is how much? 6A. 6A equals to 210. So A equals to 210 divided by 6. Now this division you must know orally. 6 1s are 6 3s and 3 remains 5s are 35. So you get A equals to 35. Next what you do is, but we don't want A actually, we want M, right? So M plus A equals to 95. So M plus A I know now 35 equals to 95. I'll take 35 to this side. So it becomes M equals to 95 minus 35 equals to 60. So Madhya spent rupees 60. Kindly watch this calculation once again and you do it yourself. Answer is B.